Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use MB Pre-Workout 200 Xtreme effectively. To begin, it's crucial to assess your tolerance. Start with a half scoop mixed into 200 to 250 milliliters of cold water. Drink this 20 to 30 minutes before your training session to allow the ingredients to take effect. This initial step helps you understand your body's response to the supplement. Once you've assessed your tolerance, you may gradually increase your dosage to 1 full scoop. Remember, it's important not to exceed 1 scoop within a 24-hour period to avoid overstimulation. Also, be mindful of your timing. Avoid consuming this pre-workout too close to bedtime, as it can interfere with your sleep due to its stimulating effects. Proper hydration is key when using any pre-workout. Ensure you drink plenty of water throughout the day to support your body's functions and the effectiveness of the supplement. To maintain its efficacy and prevent your body from adapting too much, it's recommended to cycle off the product after 8 to 12 weeks of continuous use. Take a break for at least 2 to 4 weeks before restarting. Before incorporating any new supplement into your routine, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions. This product is not recommended for individuals under 18 years of age. Always store your MB Pre-Workout 200 Xtreme in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its potency and shelf life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.